Hello, welcome. Let's text the formulas that we derived in the previous episode under the frustum of a cone. Here we'll be finding the lateral area, we developed that formula, finding the surface area, which is the total surface area, and the volume of a truncated cone. All those formulas have been developed in the previous episode. So this tutorial will be part 4, part A. The same question, I will solve it going straight forward with the formula. Then the next episode, we will also break it down based on the understanding we have from the episodes that pass. So we know this is, it said, calculate the lateral area, surface area, and the volume of a truncated cone. When a cone is truncated, it is a frustum. So we have this. From here to here is the radius of the upper base. This is the height. From here, we give you the radius of the lower base. So they said the radii are 2 here, meaning that 2 is the smaller one, 6 will be, then the height is also given as what? 10 centimeters. Now, we are not aware of the slant height, but because we are going to be finding the lateral area, we need the slant height. So we remember we have this line drawn down, which is the slant height perpendicular to the base. So if I'm looking for slant height, it will be the square root of, this is the h, right? 10. This place is going to be the same as this because it's perpendicular. So here will be 2. Then the remaining will be 6 minus 2. That will be 4. So 10 squared plus 4 squared. Don't forget, the formula we developed was something like this. R minus small r all squared plus what? H squared. This is the formula we did. And the h squared is the 10 we are having here. Capital R, 6. Small r, 2. So we have 4 squared. And that will give us the square root of 100 plus what? 16. So in the case of that, our s will be equals to the root of 116. That will be 10.77 centimeter. So we know the slant height. So if I am looking for the lateral area, first one, lateral area, which is the curved surface area. So what is the curved surface area? We know the curved surface area is pi times s r plus r. Remember I mentioned that I will be quoting the formula from what we did in the previous episode. So this is the formula we are going to use for the curved surface area. So per substitution, we have our 22 on 7 for pi. This s is the slant height. So we are having the slant height to be 10.77, then times r, 6, right? Capital R, small r, 2, I guess. So this become 22 on 7 times 10.77 times 8. So let's do that calculation and see. And that will give us 270. Let's say 789 lateral area, so centimeter square. So the lateral area, which is the curved surface area, will give us this. All right, let's go to the second one, also by quoting the formula. The total surface area of a truncated cone. If you're looking for total surface area, it is just going to be the area of the base here and the area here plus the curved surface area. We know the area here is area of a circle. Area of a circle. The curved surface area, which already we know at this place. So let's just say we have, by quoting the formula, we have pi s r plus this plus r squared plus what? R squared. So here we'll be doing substitution of the times, meaning 22 times 7. Let's bring this bracket. So I'm bring, okay, we can move, okay, let's bring the bracket. So in the bracket, you'll be having 10. Where is it? The S, okay, that will be 10.77 times 6 plus 2 plus 6 square, 2 square, all multiplying the 22. So are we having 22 on 7? What do we have here? This will be 8, right? So 8 times 10.77 will give us 86.16. Okay, this will still have to multiply. Then plus 36 in there plus 4. Okay, so that will give us 40. So let's see our 22 on 7. Now we'll multiply 40 plus 86.16. That will be 126.16. When we multiply that by our 22 divided by 7, that will give us 396.50 area, right? So centimeter square. So the curved surface area, the total surface area, we deal with the top area, the bottom area, and the curved surface area. All will give us this. Then the last one will be the volume. So C will be the volume of a cone or truncated. Let's just say volume is going to be equals to, is 1/3 pi h r square r square. I'm only quoting the formula. We derived all the formulas in the previous episode. So this will be a substitution of 1 on 3, 22 on 7. The height is 10. Then into bracket, the radius of the base, 6 square. The radius of the base, 6, times the radius of the top base, 2. Radius of the top base, 2 square. So this will give us, all this will be 220 divided by 21. This is going to be 36 plus 12 plus 4. And that will be 52. And if we compute this on our calculator, it will give us 544.76 centimeter cubed. So you can see that finding the volume, finding the curved surface area, finding the total surface area, if you remember the formula, you just go straight forward and you'll be good to go. So this example actually deals with all the episodes we did explaining the concept of the truncated cone. I guess you get the concept. If you don't understand it because you can't remember the formula, let's follow up in the next episode where we deal with the concept without remembering the formula. Share this with somebody, like and comment. Bye-bye.